In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Valorant screen tearing on Windows 10 and Windows 11. The first thing that we want to do is come here and search for game mode, open up game mode and try and turn this one off and see if that works. And if you already have it off, try and turn it on and see if that works. Now after that, what we want to do is we want to try and enable vsync on Valorant. So inside of Valorant, find something called vertical sync in the options and try and enable that and see if that helps. If that still doesn't work, what you can do is you can find Valorant, right click, properties, compatibility, and activate this one, disable full screen optimizations. Check this one and try and launch the game now. If that still doesn't work, you can come here and search for power plan. In power plan, what you want to do is go to power options and then make sure you choose high performance or ultimate performance if you have that, but don't be unbalanced. Try and choose this one. Now if this still doesn't work, another thing we can do is we can try and right click on our desktop, go to display settings, find advanced display settings, and make sure you choose the highest hertz that your screen can go. After that, go to display adapter properties, list all modes, and also make sure that it's the correct one in here. So 1920 by 1080 and 144 Hz. That's my screen, as you can see here. After that, if it still doesn't work, what I suggest you do is you come to device manager, come in here and display adapters, and make sure you update the driver. Now you can also see the name of my GPU here, and you're gonna Google this name and then type software. Obviously you might have another one than me, but you wanna Google your name and then software. And in my case, I'll get this software. Then in there, what you want to do is open it up, and then you should be able to update your driver. After you've done all of this, try and restart your PC, and hopefully it should work after that. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.